He thinks out of the box and he's able to deliver it also. He used to give a fellowship for social entrepreneurs, and Arun was one person who deserved it. Ever since his launch, I've been associated with him. It's been a great journey. Hi, I'm Lata Suresh. I'm the trustee of Manav Seva Dharma Samruddhi Trust and the honorary director of CSIM. I still remember the day when I met Arun for the first time. It was in 2011 when he came home to see me regarding a research project which he was doing on social entrepreneurship. His professor, Dr. Udaya, had asked him to come and meet me. Ever since that day, there's been a great bond which I've been having with Arun. Arun has to call me at least once a week, and I have to shout at him at least once a week. So that bond goes on and on, and I think it's going to be never ending. Somehow it's that connect, probably a social entrepreneurial connect which we have. Ever since he came up with his business plan, I had my own gut feeling that it will definitely work because there was nobody else in the space who was doing something which was so child centric and helping the parents in a lot of way and bringing in technology. He started doing the project and he enrolled in our part-time course in social entrepreneurship, further which he worked in Loyola for some time, and after some time he started the Blink Foundation in I think 2015, when he used to come and ask my help regarding how to register his trust and all that. When he started the Blink Foundation, he was clueless as to how to go about it, and there were so many people who were telling him that you left a job as a lecturer and you started a foundation. He used to give a fellowship for social entrepreneurs, and Arun was one person who deserved it. For 3 years, he got a fellowship from us. After the end of the third year, it was so good that he got a fellowship from IIM. That too, one of our associates, Dr. Archana, she was there. She saw the way Blink Foundation was working and she recommended him to apply for the fellowship at the IIM. He got selected and I'm very happy. From a monthly 10,000 rupees stipend, he started getting a stipend of 1 lakh, which was amazing. Now I'm only helping him to market his products and, talk to people about the app which he has. He thinks out of the box and he's able to deliver it also. Of course, there are a lot of problems he faces with fundraising, but somehow he manages it. And every time I get a call from him, I know it must be something to do with raising money. It's been a great learning for me also to know about the problems faced by the dyslexic community. D-Learners is doing a great job in trying to find a solution to this biggest problem that's there now. It's a small hidden problem, but people do not know that it's creating a lot of issues when the child grows up. And if it's identified at an early age, I'm sure every child will be bright and they can do whatever, pursue their dreams in whatever fields that they want. And doing an app was also very important. And we've been doing social audits of so many organizations, and we've done similar organizations which are working with dyslexia also, but we find the difference in approach. Yours is more open and friendly and easy to handle, whereas others are still having the traditional methods of teaching and all that, which is actually not the way children learn these days. Doing it in a visual way is always better for these children, and he's understood that particular problem and solved that issue also. The best part of the app is you change it according to the needs of the children. It's not the same app that has been there for the last 1 or 2 years. To understand that dyslexia is not an issue, it is just a condition which can overcome it easily. Now, ever since D-Learners app has come, people understand that this is not an issue at all. I know there was a movie where Amir Khan spoke about dyslexia and he painted a picture of how dyslexia was such a big problem for children. The most important thing, teachers should be sensitized. The teachers should understand how to identify these children and give these apps which are available, and these child can really do well in their academics. I feel that there will be a D-Learners corner in all schools. So every child will be able to make use of the app there. There won't be a stigma for dyslexia is what I feel. Because if this is going to be there in all school and some children who go into it and who come out of it are going to be on par with other children, then there's not going to be a stigma about this at all. And that parents should know that they should not be feeling bad about it. And if they are sensitized by the school that this is not an issue, you just have to pay extra attention to give some coaching for the children, then this problem of dyslexia is going to not be a problem anymore. It is something which everybody will accept and go.